Welcome Cooking Squad, I am Jay Simkovitz. If you are new or returning, I just want to say welcome. I am here to tell you exactly who I am and what you're getting from this. So first off, who am I? I am the creator of Cooking with Jay Simkovitz. I create recipes, videos for you to recreate at your home that are yummy, delicious, and amazing. Now, if you've seen my YouTube channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Those are the days that I create my videos that are under 20 minutes. Every Tuesday and Thursday, if they come out every Tuesday and Thursday, I create videos that are under 8 minutes. So it's just a little short segment that you can do at home that could be on like a salad dressing or something else, whatever comes to mind. I mean, I'm blank right now, but that is what I do. So really, I am here to get your support. Everything I do is time and money, which I have a lot of time, but I don't have a lot of money at all. I have nothing at all. So I'm here asking for your support. Now, this is where you come in. What are you getting? Well, this is based on a monthly subscription. So what you do is you pay how much you want. So it will say like the price and what the rewards are. And the more you support by giving more money on a monthly basis, the better the rewards are going to get. Yes, I am small creator at this time and the rewards will be very small, but over time, as you support me and I support you by giving you what you need as a family, because this is a cooking squad, as in a whole family network from anywhere in the world. The more you support, the bigger the rewards are going to get, the bigger you're going to enjoy watching the newest videos, you're going to be watching the newest things. With this support, I'll be able to afford the food I need so I can create the videos faster, so I can bring them out faster than having to wait a couple of days to a couple of weeks. They'll be like just a couple of days. And also I'll be able to afford the equipment I need so that I can make better videos, so that I can make sure that the lighting is right, that everything is perfect for you guys when you watch my videos on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and remember, you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful, and thank you for being part of Cooking Squad and supporting it. And also remember, the most important thing is keep calm and cook on.